Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, you will learn how to add number field in contact forms in WordPress. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable Forms plugin. Now, to configure this plugin, all you need to do is click on this Formidable tab here in the sidebar. You can either add a new form or can edit an existing form as per your requirements. In my case, I will edit an existing form by clicking on respective edit link. As you can see, this is the form builder area. I do not need this rich text field for now, so I will simply delete it. You can customize the form as per your requirements. Now, on the left you will find number field here. I will simply drag and drop the number field to the builder area. Clicking on it will allow us to configure its settings. Here you can edit the field label, make this field required, set the number range as per your requirements. You can check the box beside unique and allow only those numbers that are unique and not been submitted before. Under advanced settings, you can find more related settings. You can set the visibility, adjust the label position. It's all up to you. Customize the field as per your needs. Now, once everything is customized, let's update the form. Now, it's time to preview the form and check the functionality. Let's make a test entry to see how it works. You can also increase or decrease the numbers using the arrows given over here. So, that is about how we can add number field in contact forms in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.